By 2050, our global population will reach 10 billion people. This will cause an exponential growth in our demand for food. Meeting this increasing demand would put further stress on our global food supply. Livestock production is already a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. Land availability is another issue. It takes 1.5 to 2 acres of land per year to feed a cow. This means that increasing our meat production capacity would further require repurposing of land. A single burger requires 3,140 litres of water, 246 square metres of land, and is associated with 75 kilograms of greenhouse gas emissions. To overcome this challenge and make meat production more sustainable, industry and researchers are working to develop meat alternatives from plant sources. However, there are major flavor and texture challenges related to lack of fat. While fat typically comprises a smaller fraction of meat, it's a key determinant of flavor, texture, nutrition, and visual appearance, all of which are correlated with consumer preference and willingness to pay. Coconut and palm oil are main fat sources in many meat alternatives, but these are not sustainable or healthy either. We need to look beyond traditional sources and venture into cellular agriculture. Microbial lipid production would offer the possibility to develop alternatives with the right flavor profile, which are produced in a feasible, scalable, and sustainable way. At VTT, we create the future of food by developing solutions which enable a sustainable food system and customized manufacturing. What if we could use safe microbes and today's modern biotechnological toolbox to biomanufacture fats in a sustainable way from plant-based side streams?